Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. So, in class 1B English Literature, we have already done this lesson 6, tumbling. We have done, isn't it? So, today we are going to do the exercises, alright? So, we will start with understanding the text. We are going to do understanding the text, alright? Take the correct answers we are going to do. So, the children spend the whole day jumping and tumbling or sleeping. So you know the answer. The children spend the whole day jumping and tumbling. Okay, exercise it. Let us start exercise there. You have to do this in your copies. English literature copies you have to do. Okay, the children spend the day. Number 1. The children spend the day jumping and tumbling. Alright, I am writing only the correct answer. Alright, jumping and tumbling. We have already studied in this poem, isn't it? How did they spend the day? Jumping and tumbling. Alright, the children spend the day jumping and tumbling. Alright, next number you see, their play finishes in the morning or at night. So their play finishes at night. Their play finishes at night. B, it is B number. At night. They were playing till night, isn't it? Alright. Number 3 you see. At night the children tumble on the sofa or in the bed. So at night they were tumbling in the bed, isn't it? At night the children tumble in bed. In bed. Alright, please see here. The children spend the day jumping and tumbling. Their play finishes at night. At night the children tumble in bed. Alright, children, you have to do this in your English literature copies. Okay, now we'll discuss the question answers and write down. Answer the following questions. See students, now we are going to do answer the following questions. Okay, how do the children spend the day? So the children spend the day by jumping and tumbling. Alright, how do the children spend the day? Question number 1. How do the children spend the day? Okay, so the answer is the children spent the day. Spent, it will be not spend. Okay, spend is in the present tense. Okay, this is in the past tense. The children spent the day jumping and tumbling. Jumping and tumbling. The children spend the day jumping and tumbling. Alright, next number you see, what tells the children that it is time for bed? So what tells the children? How do they come to know that it is time for bed? So night tells the children that it is time for bed, because usually when do we go to bed? Even as the small children, the elder people, when do we go to bed? We go to bed at night only, isn't it? So what tells the children? Question number 2. What tells the children that it is time for bed? It is time for bed. So the answer is night. Night tells the children that it is time for bed. That it is time for bed. Okay, please see. How do the children spend the day? The children spend the day jumping and tumbling. What tells the children that it is time for bed? Night tells the children that it is time for bed. Okay. Next you see, we are going to do playing with words. Add ing to the given words and make new words. We have to add ing to the words given here. We are going to do this also, okay? My dear students, you see here, we are going to do now playing with words, okay? Add ing to the given words and make new words. All these words are action words, or you can say all these are verbs. Okay, these words like you see here, jump, play, drink, eat, cry, walk, sleep. All these are action words. Okay, so they are all verbs. Alright. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Alright. So you see here, add ing to the given words and make new words. With these words, we have to add ing and make new words. Already, for example, jump plus ing equal to jumping. It's already done here. So number one, you see, play plus ing will be playing. Okay. Play plus ing. What it will be? It will be playing. Number two, drink plus ing will be drinking. Drink plus ing will be drinking. I am drinking a glass of water. I am drinking a glass of milk. Okay, play plus ing, playing. You should form small sentences. I am playing in the field. You are playing at home. I am playing at home. I am playing with a toy. Okay, I am playing with a doll. So try to make small sentences. Okay. Alright, play, drink. Next one is eat. Eat plus ing will be eating. It will be eating. It plus ing will be eating. Alright. I am eating my food. I am eating an apple. I am eating a chocolate. Whatever you like. You can make small sentences just to increase your vocabulary. Okay. Cry plus ing will be crying. Cry. My small sister is crying. Even you are small, isn't it? You also cry in between. So cry plus ing will be crying. Next one you see walk. Walk plus ing will be walking. Walk plus ing will be walking. I am walking to school. Isn't it? You are walking to school. Suppose I am saying you. Okay. I am walking in the field. Okay. Sleep. Sleep plus ing will be sleeping. I am sleeping on my bed. I am sleeping on my cot. Alright. So you see, these are words. We have added ing here with these words. Alright. Play plus ing will be playing. Drink plus ing will be drinking. Eat plus ing will be eating. Cry plus ing will be crying. Walk plus ing will be walking. Sleep plus ing will be sleeping. Alright. Okay. Next one you see B. We are going to do this orally. B and C we are going to do orally. Circle the rhyming words in each set. So you see we have to circle 2 words in each set. Alright, like tumble, 3 words are given, rumble, grumble, jumper. So you see which words are rhyming. Tumble, rumble and grumble. Rumble and grumble you circle. Alright, day, said, may, hay. So may and hay you circle. Day, may, hay. See the words which are rhyming. White, long, night, right. So with white which words are rhyming? Night and right are rhyming. Okay. Hen, bed, head, said. So hen will be head and said. Alright, now I am only saying the answers. Okay. Tumble, rumble, grumble. You circle rumble and grumble. Day, may, hay. You circle may and hay. White, night and right. You circle night and right. Okay. Hen, bed, head, said. Hen you circle head and said. Hen, head, said. Okay. Exercise C only you have to read aloud. You have to practice reading. Read these words aloud. Okay. BL. With BL you see how many words are given here. Black, blink, block, blue. BR. Brain, bread, brick, brown. CL. Clap, clay, clip, clown. CR. Crack, crow, crust, cry. Once again I am saying please practice loudly. These words you have to say aloud and practice. BL with BL. Black, blink, block, blue. BR. Brain, bread, brick, brown. CL. Clap, clay, clip, clown. CR. Crack, crow, crust, cry. Okay students, so we have completed this lesson. We have completed, okay, lesson 6, tumbling. All the exercises we have completed. Understanding the text. Exercise A, take the correct answers. B, answer the following questions we have completed. Playing with words. A, add ing to the given words and make new words. B, circle the rhyming words in each set. And C, read these words aloud. We have completed. Okay, so we have completed this lesson. Thank you.